Zainab was a smart, sweet, and well-mannered girl. She was 6 years old and loved nature. In the summers, she really liked eating watermelon, especially sitting with her friends and enjoying cold watermelon. Near Zainab's house, there was a beautiful pond, where lush green trees, grassy fields, and the chirping of birds created a magical atmosphere. One day, Zainab went to the pond with her mother for a walk. The air was fresh, the sky was clear, and the surroundings were peaceful. Suddenly, Zainab noticed a colorful butterfly. The butterfly was so beautiful that it seemed as if the entire sky's colors were contained in its wings. Zainab tried to catch it, but her mother gently stopped her and said, "Dear, the butterfly is free. It's not right to imprison it." Zainab nodded and quietly said, "Will you be my friend? I will never imprison you." The butterfly joyfully circled around her, as if saying, "Yes." From then on, she visited the pond every day, playing with the butterfly, drawing pictures, and writing words starting with the letter T on her slate. Butterfly, education, research, entertainment, etiquette, progress. One day, Zainab was playing on the triangular grass near the pond. Suddenly, her foot slipped and she began to slide towards the water. She was about to scream when the butterfly started fluttering around her head rapidly, as if trying to warn her. Her mother, who was a little behind, saw the butterfly's unusual movement and quickly ran to grab Zainab, saving her just in time. Zainab was astonished. "Mom, the butterfly saved me." Her mother smiled and said, "Dear, even these small creatures of nature sometimes become our heroes." That day, Zainab wrote a new word on her slate: protection. Now, Zainab's friendship with the butterfly was no longer just a game. It had become an example of friendship, trust, and connection with nature. Whenever any child came near the pond, Zainab would say, "Remember, sometimes the smallest friends become the greatest heroes."